how rain falls or how clouds form? Come on! Come on, let's go! So, all our classmates have made these water cycle activities for us, just like all of these. So, I'm going to explain for you guys how the water cycle is made. First, the first source of heat for all water cycles is called our sun. The sun heats up the water and gets it up. And that process is called evaporation. So, the next process, when the sun makes a cloud out of the water it collected, that process is called condensation. The last process, when the water drops again out of the cloud, is called precipitation. Our water cycle is very important for our life. Thank you for watching. Bye!
باخچە و قوتابخانەی بان ماڵێک بۆ پەروەردە و ژیان